Hey guys, my name is Solomon. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Solo Tesla. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to operate the Model 3 and Model Y if it's your first time. You may just rented a Tesla or you may just borrow it from a friend. So I'm going to show you the basic operations just to get you on the road. Because when I first started driving these, my first day I just sat down and I thought to myself like 20 minutes, how am I going to operate this car? I looked at so many videos. So I decided to make one myself. This is my 2023 Model 3 Performance. If you guys want me to make a video reviewing the car, let me know in the comments below. But let me get started. With the Model 3 and Model Y, they're comprised with the same parts, about 70% of the same parts. So this video will apply for any Model 3 borrowers, owners, and Model Y. To open Tesla's doors, what you gotta do is put your thumb right here, push it in, and pull the handle out, and voila, the door will open. So when you're usually renting Teslas from people or Hertz or somebody, they usually give you this key card, right? As long as you got the key card, you can open and close the door whenever you want. Only reason the car opened for me because it's tethered to my phone. Teslas don't have essentially car keys like normal traditional cars. You just use your phone for everything. It still works. You can use other functions. So as you can see, take this key card, side pillar. Now the car's locked. Now I can open the car by doing that. So the car is now open. So now to access the Model 3 or Model Y door, again, just put your finger in there, push it out. So I'm getting into my car. Excuse me if it's dirty. Alrighty, let's pretend if my phone's not active and what we should do to actually start the car. It's gonna ask for the key card that you may have borrowed from the rental or your friend. And it'll ask you to use the card right here, right behind the cup holder. Boom. So now you put the card there and you can drive the car. Press the brake pedal and boom, the card's actually on. With the Tesla, there is no shifter, right? You may be used to changing gear. Okay, well, how do I turn on the car? So you don't have to push to start anything. The car's already on because the car's actually recording 24/7. So with that said, the car's on. You don't need to turn it on or off. The car is always operating unless you can manually turn it off. I can show you here. You press this car button. Yeah, you go to safety and you press power off, but I don't recommend that because you want the car to be on and you can access the car anytime. So you may ask yourself, okay, how do I get the car to move? So like I said earlier, there is no shifters, no gear selectors here, right? So as you see right here, the stalks is right here. Traditionally, the gear shifter is right here, but the stalks are right here. To actually put the car in go, you press the brake pedal and just hit the once all the way down for drive. Now the car is in drive. It's already looking for places to go, what have not, right? So, and to park, you press this button on the side, right here, boop, and the car will park back to normal. You go up, reverse, down to drive. You hit it in the middle, so be in neutral, which I honestly never do. And you press the side again to park the car. This begs another question. How does one charge the car? So you may be driving for a while now. Your battery gets low, right? Mine's on 40%. And if you're not comfortable with the car being on 40% or displaying 40%, you can tap it again. And boom, it'll show you the mileage. The car's on, say you've been driving for a while. You may ask yourself, okay, how do I charge the car so I could drive it some more without any issues? At first, charging may seem daunting and a little weird for people, but I find charging fun. I go to the Superchargers and they're available in my vicinity quite frequently. There's a lot of them everywhere in upstate New York, which I am based at. You may ask yourself, how do you charge a car? So right here, there's a charge port button. You press it, the cap opens. As you see in the mirror back there, the port is open so you can charge it. Apart from opening the door from the outside, this is how you open the door from the inside. So usually regular cars, there's a lever here, you pull it and it pops, but here there isn't. This glowing button, I have to tell riders all the time that this is the button to open the door. On top, they usually get confused with this button right here. It's not a button, it's like a trigger, like a little lever. You want to press this button, not this lever right here. These are the window controls. This is the emergency manual button. I'll show you guys later, maybe. To open the door, you press this button and boom, the door unlatch and you can open. But this is electric operated, so you need power. Car needs to be powered so you can actually open it. So if there's no power, say your car died somehow, you can actually open the car by using this emergency manual switch. Press it and you pull it up like a soda tab, the top glowing button. This is where you see the charge port would be. You just gotta boop, open it, and the port will be right here for you to charge your car and stick the cord in, but I'll show you guys later how to do that. Alrighty, we have the car now available to drive. I'm gonna show you guys how to charge the car or find the charging for the car. Right here, there's this navigation bar. Let me go to charging. There's a charging section, boom. And from there, it will show you locally your nearest charge spots. All right, so before we actually go charge the car, you may wanna set a limit to how much the car is charging. You can display the battery percentage or the actual mileage by clicking the number itself. Boom. I like to keep on percentage because that's how I operate. All right, so when you're actually charging the car, the ideal range is 20 to 80%. So anything more than 80 will take pretty much the same time. From 20 to 80, 80 to 100, the same. If 20 to 80 is like 20 minutes, 80 to 100 is 20 minutes. So if you went from 20 to 100, it's like 40 minutes in total. Ideally, like I said, for time, money, efficiency, you may want to just do 20 to 80%, especially in your road trip. But if you can go 100%, if there's like not a charger in sight, that's ideal. So that's the only situation, is if you're on a long road trip, why not? But yes, if you want to charge daily, every day, 20 to 80%, it's so quick. Not only that, if you're 80 to 100% every day, it actually damages the battery over time. It's ideal just to do 20 to 80%. Alrighty guys, there you have it. So that's how you open the Tesla's car door, shift it into the gear, find a charge spot so you can drive and enjoy the car. Let me know in the comments what kind of videos you guys want to see next. You guys want me to review my car, the Highlander? Let me know. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. By doing so, it will show the algorithm to show other people this video, so hopefully they can be helped out with their Tesla as well. Thanks guys for watching. See you guys in the next one.